guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm still in Malaysia for a few more days, and Saturday I'm going back. And today we came for lunch here at Moorthy's Mathai. So this is like Malaysian Indian style of food. Last time my husband actually coming here he knows the owner for 40 years. And the last time we came all together, and they have fish, and it is fantastic. It is so good, and this restaurant now my favorite restaurant in Malaysia. So yeah, today we came here. Let's go in and check it out. Hey guys, so here I am. We're going inside, and this is the manager. The owner,
we are provider.
Yeah. Moorthy. His name is Moorthy,
and started this business in 1969.
Wow, 1969. So long. So how is it going? Busy?
Oh, I established myself very well.
Yeah.
I give quality food, reasonable price.
Reasonable price.
I don't I don't bargain on qualities.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, so what time?
I do my cooking myself, purchasing, going to market early in the morning at 1 a.m.
1 a.m. Wow.
Back to shops, I'll start cooking, and after cooking I'll be cutting the fish, marinating it.
Yeah. For how long you marinate it?
Well, that will be about 3-4 hours should be okay.
3-4 hours.
But usually I'll buy for about 2 days or 3 days stock. So I need not have to go to market every day. I go about 3 days once. It all depends on the quality of the fish. If the quality of fish is good, then I'll buy more. If it's not good, then I'll buy for a day use.
Nice. Yeah, and the fish is very good here. I love the fish. And whenever you are in Malaysia, you must come to this place and try. This place is in Subang Jaya. It's like suburb of KL. It's about 45 minutes of my house. Yeah, so you must come and try, right?
That's right.
Yeah, let's go inside and see the food. So here we came in and
I know him, your hubby. And I know him, I think almost about 30 years.
How so?
30 years.
30 over years.
His father used to bring him.
So they find the fish now. Here is all the vegetables. Different kind of vegetables. This is potato. Curries, right?
This is the prawns.
Prawns.
This is the squid. This is a masala chicken. This is mutton. This is curry chicken. This is the fish. This is a fish head. This is rasam.
Rasam. Okay. Nice. And then here you have the rice. Steamed rice. And then don't sit. So I just sit down, and the food is coming like this. And and they're just like being one another. This is potato. This is very tasty, very nice. What's this? Spinach? Spinach curry. Thank you.
Cucumber?
You want?
options are dal, chicken and fish.
I'm going
Your curry?
Dal.
Dal. Like so many options.
That's for you tomorrow, right?
They just bring
Tomorrow
it.
no ice, huh?
Do you have chas? Chas. And here is the fish also. So it's very nice. Let's see. Hey guys, so just finished and I tell you guys food is amazing. And when you finish, then you just fold the leaf towards you. So put the thing here, and it's like means you enjoy the food and you're thanking the owner, the chef, that the food was nice and you enjoyed it. So guys, that much food we had, so much food, it came to 50 ringgit. And 50 ringgit is 18 New Zealand dollars and it's 12 US dollar. It's very cheap. And so much food and it is very nice food. Thank you so much guys for watching and joining us for lunch. If you like it, please put your thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!